Alright, I'm going to show you autofold mirrors. I already did it on my truck, but I'm going to show you how I did it using FORScan. So normally the mirrors do not fold unless you push the button to fold the mirrors. But using the remote, you can do what's called the Lincoln style fold. And as soon as you lock it, both mirrors fold. Locked. And mirrors fold. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that on your truck. Okay, so using FORScan, first, make sure you're connected, right? We're going to turn the truck on, not all the way. Actually, I'm going to turn it on all the way because the battery's a little low right now. So I have the laptop hooked up also so it'll charge. Okay, so we're going to go into the DDM and the PDM. I don't know the exact name for these, but I believe PDM is passenger and DDM is driver. That makes sense to me, right? Each side of the vehicle. I guess each side has a module. So we're going to go into the PDM and we're going to go down to play. Read the warnings. Alright, so we're in the PDM. PDM, we're going to go into 74103. Where's the mouse? 7410301. And you see this second set of numbers here? The 84 that's in the middle? You got to make that an 84. Whatever you have, nothing else change. Even if it's, of course, mine's an A840. Whatever yours is, leave it alone except for the middle sections. It needs to be an 84. Alright, everything else leave it the same. Then we're going to go into PDM 7411201. So we're going to go down a little bit here. Oh crap, where's the mouse? Alright, we're going to go PDM 1201. Right? And make that first letter, the first digit, needs to be a F. Again, whatever's in the rest of the box, leave it alone. Mine's a F04B. Yours might be a little different, but make this an F. Okay? Then you're going to go into write all. Right here where it says write all. You can write each one individually also, but it's just, make a change and write all. I click on write all and it says there's no changes, but yours will say, you sure you want to do this? Read what it says and then continue. Alright, so I'm going to click stop. We're going to go back up to configuration, and now we're going to the driver side. Alright, you're going to get driver and you're going to hit play on the bottom. Alright, read the warnings. Alright, so now on the driver's side, I'm going to go ahead and go down on this. On the driver's side, we're going to do the same exact thing. Go into 7400301 and make it an 84 in the middle. So 7400301. Make this second set of numbers an 84. And then you're going to go into 7401201 right here. And make the first digit a letter F. Okay, again, write. Once you complete that, the truck is gonna probably, shut down a little, like it'll just dim down, dim back up. So then it'll turn it off. You probably want to wait a good 5-7 seconds, make sure everything cycles off. Then turn it back on and go test your truck. Test your truck, you'll see the mirrors will work. Well, let's turn it off. It doesn't make sense to lock the truck. Let's see these mirrors working here. You park, exit the vehicle, and lock it. And lock. Boom. Lock it. Locked. and we lock. Cool. Don't forget to subscribe, like, check out some of these other videos that I've made. Alright, thanks.